My name is Amani and I am in the 4+2 Accelerated Master's Program at Jefferson.
My name is Emily Marina, and I am in the Master of Architecture program.
When I was first deciding if I want to do architecture or interiors, I wanted to do both. And I got the advice early on, like in first semester studio, that because if I wasn't going to do the 4+2, I was going to do the 5+1, where you do bachelor's in architecture and master's in interiors. But the master's in architecture holds a little bit more weight in terms of like being able to teach later on and stuff like that. So I decided to stay at Jefferson because they offered the acceleration, so I wouldn't have to stay in school for as long. We've had like a whole range of classes, from technical classes where we learn about detailing specific walls, all the way to very conceptual research about a community and what kind of building this community could benefit from. So it's definitely community heavy. I think Jefferson makes a huge point to learn who you're building for, so that the architecture that we build is actually useful and not what we perceive would be useful.
Just being near a city, I always like, just because you get new experiences, you get new connections to that city. And then a lot of what we do is within the city, so you get to travel. Not even just in studio, but in some of my other classes, like we've taken a field trip to a building and then just took pictures of it, did a little field trip report.
We actually had a real community partner our last semester, where we got real feedback from somebody who could potentially be using the building that we create. So that was kind of really cool. Getting a client relationship experience in school, I think, is unusual unless you're at an internship.
We worked with them to extend their programming and think of ways they can reach out to their community.
I think I've learned in my graduate experience here, I've learned more from the people who I'm in class with, because some people have like 3 years of working experience or just all these different perspectives, which is pretty cool.
I have been, because I've been working, I've been filling out my AXP hours. I'm almost done with that. My accredited degree, which is why I'm here, getting the accredited Master's of Architecture degree. And then, so once I graduate, then I'm gonna start studying for the 6 exams.
I think a great advantage to doing the grad program at Jefferson is it's relatively small. So our studio is about 12 people, and that really allows you to have a one-on-one relationship with the professor.